Starters are done. The sushis have rolled out. ये शिराज ऐसे आए कर रहा है जैसे सारी की सारी मैं खा जाऊंगा, कह रहा है कि गेट सेट गो तो ये खा जाए. Flight is ready for departure. Let's get the show on the road. Temperatures are touching 49 degrees. Who knows? We might just cross the 50 barrier today. चलें जी, सामान अपना लोड हो जाएगा, हम चलें गाड़ी में. I think it's maybe because a lot of the flights were not operational due to the little escalation in the Iran-America conflict. My host for the night, my khalas, and the food is served for the Hajis. Meeting with the boys, we have to transfer data of the shoots that we have done. Going to be having some snacks. मैं तो बहुत खाना खा के आया हूँ, तो ये दोनों ही खाएंगे sandwiches. Actually brilliant. The water isn't cold or warm, it's just right. I think I should have brought some trunks and jumped in for a little swim. तो आज होने लगा है brown on brown, a dark brown with a khaki colored trouser. Let's go. Fit check. Brown on brown. Let's go grab some breakfast. Then we need to come in and pack up our stuff. This was the working station. बैठ के सारा काम जो transfer, edit and everything. Just get it done over here. And of course need the ironing stand. Pretty good bed as well. Got a good night's sleep. Right now, let's go grab something to eat. आते आते मुझे देर हो गई थी ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए, तो मैंने फिर स्टाफ से रिक्वेस्ट की एंड देयर मैनेजर वाज लाइक सर कोई मसला ही नहीं है. दे गॉट मी लाइक मैंगोज, कट इट अप एंड देन गिव मी चाय. दिस शुड सस्टेन मी ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ द डे एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू एंड शो यू अराउंड द पूल एंड द जिम एरिया. आई हर्ड दैट दे हैव अ वेरी नाइस पूल. इनके चेकआउट करते हैं. गया तो नहीं, देखता हूँ अगर टाइम मिलेगा तो विल गो इन फॉर अ डिप. चल रहे हैं हम ऊपर टू द जिम एंड पूल एरिया. Let's go check it out. Whoa, this is fun. Like the pool is right there in the center. It's like an indoor pool of sorts. Pretty interesting. Nice. So like the pool is on the 3rd floor. It has sunlight coming in through the sunroof, but at the same time it's not that sunny that you can't go in even if the sun is out in full force. Yeah, actually brilliant. The water isn't cold or warm, it's just right. I think I should have brought some trunks and jumped in for a little swim. My date for the afternoon, Mr. Shazi. Spicy edamame मंगवा लिया है and one of my other favorite things is the tuna pizza. खाने में क्या मंगवा रहे हैं? Sushi?
Teppanyaki and sushi. I'll have teppanyaki.
पहले जी teppanyaki and sushi is what you're going to be having. Tuna pizza भी पहुंच गया. edamame हम डफी जा रहे हैं और शेजी को first time edamame में try करवाऊंगा. उसने कभी try की नहीं है. Starters are done. The sushis have rolled out. ये शिराज ऐसे आए कर रहा है जैसे सारी की सारी मैं खा जाऊंगा, कह रहा है कि get set go तो ये खा जाए. Let's dig into the sushis, and we are also waiting for a teppanyaki to come. In the meanwhile, sushi ki game to on kare na. Cheers. Finally, the teppanyaki is also here. Finishing off our sushis, and the beef teppanyaki has arrived. Let's dig in. Yeah, one of the best things about sitting with old friends after a very long time. क्या गप्पे चल रही है हमारी, talking about times like 20 years ago. 20 क्या 25 साल हो गए. हाँ, हम इतने बुढ़े हो गए. अब तो इसकी दाढ़ी भी सफेद हो गई है. मेरे तो सर के बाल उड़ गए, इसके सर पे अभी कम से कम बाल तो मौजूद हैं, लेकिन दाढ़ी हमारी भी सफेद हो गई है. चलें जी, खाए पिए खिसके अब जाएं, बाकी जाके काम करें. Meeting with the boys, we have to transfer data of the shoots that we have done. Going to be having some snacks. मैं तो बहुत खाना खा के आया हूँ, तो ये दोनों ही खाएंगे sandwiches. मैं तो खाना डफ के खुद फटने वाला हुआ. Just gonna have a cup of black coffee and I'm good to go. My host for the night, my khalas, and the food is served for the hajis. The food looks good. Whoa, what an extensive menu. And yes, desi style, Pakistani biryani, wonton, Chinese, and you have beef chili, nihari, fried fish, reshmi kebab, chicken booty, and you have naan. Let's eat and then head out. लाइफ सब कुछ हो जाए बस बोरिंग ना हो तो सोचा कि ना मूवी देख लें बिफोर आई लीव तो भाईजान मूवी देख के तो मैं वापस आ गया आई वॉच्ड दीमक एंड इफ आई एम बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक्ड इट sans the CGI and a few things here or there I would give that movie a solid 6 on 10 and considering it's a horror movie 6 on 10 is deemed to be like a pretty decent and very high score. Now just need to like finish packing my stuff and gear up to leave tomorrow in the morning early. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. सुबह हो गई है. And I'm just heading off to the airport again. क्योंकि दफ्तर पहुंचना है. चलिए जी, आज के सफ़र का और आज के दिन का आगाज़ हुआ जाता है. Temperatures are touching 49 degrees. Who knows, we might just cross the 50 barrier today. And to think that it's just June. जुलाई में भी ऐसा ही वेदर रहता है पूरा. It's not too bad. Yeah. It looks nice. Let's grab a coffee ताकि आँखें खुल जाएं. बेटा वो pistachio latte. Let's have that. Flight is ready for departure. Let's get the show on the road. आने वाले तो आ गए, अब हम जाने की तैयारी पकड़ते हैं. चलें जी, सामान निकालते हैं और चलते हैं जहाज पे. While we wait, let's have a cup of tea. Sadly, there's no view here. View था उधर पहाड़ों में. And the tea is not really fantastic. But क्या करें, गुजारा करना पड़ेगा. चलें जी, finally the flight is boarding. 1 hour 10 minutes to Karachi. Let's go. बाहर को सिर्फ देखते ही वही हम लोगों की जो है ना है हालत हो जाती है. Ladies and gentlemen, the plane has landed. The door is about to be opened. And we have a vehicle which has arrived. Time to unbuckle our seatbelts. And let's get rolling. हाय हाय हाय. चलें जी, सामान अपना लोड हो जाएगा, हम चलें गाड़ी में. अहमदाबाद कराची एयरपोर्ट. चलते हैं बाहर, देखते हैं कि मौसम के हालात कैसे हैं. Let's go. There is a lot of rush at the airport. I think it's maybe because a lot of the flights were not operational due to the little escalation in the Iran-America conflict, with Iran firing missiles into Qatar and the airspace being shut. I think things are starting to go back to normal. Let's go. The iconic Karachi, the city of lights. Sadly, there are lights out most of the time in this city, but I think the problem for the lights and all has been addressed to a great extent. Oh, we're just getting to mom's. I have some mangoes, which we shall both be eating. Then to the next leg of the journey. Let's go. चोर रास्ते से चलते हैं. Amiga, थे. Tin, tin, tin. Tin, tin, tin. Tin, tin, tin. Hello, Slalikin. तो जी एमएमए मैंगोज से मैंने आम मंगवा लिए थे एंड गेस व्हाट टुडे इज द 24th एंड दीज मैंगोज शुड बी रेडी टू बी कंज्यूम्ड. मिठू ने खणे अलाट कढे इन्हनि खे विझे हिन खे थधे पाणी में बर्फ़ सां तकड़ा मूंखे आणे ॾे. ये जी डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम मुल्तान. उफ अमेजिंग.